Welcome to you in GK class. Students, today I am going to teach you the chapter number 19. The name of the chapter is compound words. So what do you mean by compound words? Do you know anything that compound words? Yes. Here is the definition of compound words. The words which are formed by joining two words are called compound words. Students, when we join two meaningful words and make one another word, that is called compound words. Let's take the examples. Look at the chart. First is cup. Here is the picture of cup. The next is board. Here it is also board. Then if we join these both two words, cup and board, and it will make a new word that will be cupboard. It is called cupboard. Next is pig, then cook. Then if we will make them right together, it will make one new word that will be peacock. Next is lady, then bird. Then if we write them together, then it will make a new word that will be lady bird. Then next is toothbrush. Yes, it is used to clean our teeth. Then if we write the toothbrush together, then it will come toothbrush. Next is butterfly. Here is a butter and here is a fly. Then after writing it together, it will become butterfly. Next is rainbow. First is rain, next is bow. Then if we write them together, it will become a new word that will be rainbow. After the rain, we see it in the sky, rainbow. It has 7 colors. So it was the chapter about compound words. The compound words definition is that the words which are formed by joining two words are called compound words. In simple words, we can say that when two meaningful words join together, they make a new word that are called compound words. So it was the chapter number 19. So next chapter which I am going to teach you, that is chapter number 23. Students, look at the book. What is that chapter? Yes, that chapter is about comic characters. That is very interesting topic for you. As you watch TV every day, you are very interested to see the cartoons, that comic characters. Yes. Now I am going to teach you about comic characters, famous comic characters. Do you know about comic characters? Yes. Comic characters are those characters which makes us laugh by their actions. Yes. First is Spider-Man. Look at this picture. He is a Spider-Man. He is a Spider-Man. He is a teenage boy and he was bitten by a radioactive spider and got super parts. He is a Spider-Man. So the next comic character is, yes, look at the picture, guess the comic character. Yes, he is Dogga. Yes, he is an orphan and brought up by dacoits. Dogs are his best friends and this comic character is Dogga. Yes. The next comic character which I am going to show you, yes, he is a Superman. Who is he? Superman. Yes, he is an alien left to the earth because of destruction of planet Krypton. He has many superpowers with the help of which he helped the mankind. He is a Superman. Yes, you know it very well as you watch TV cartoons every day. Yes, he is a Superman. Okay, the next is, guess the comic character. Who is he? Yes, he is a Batman. Yes, here is a clue that I am a billionaire. Billionaires means a person with a net worth of the least 1 billion, that is 1,000 millions. But in night he wear bat suit and fight with criminals, and he is a Batman. Okay, now next you will guess that who is this? Yes, tell me now. Yes, he is a Nagraj. Yes, he released many kinds of snakes from his wrist. He is a Nagraj. So it was the chapter about your comic characters. So now students, listen to me carefully. About chapter number 19, you have to read that definition also about the compound words which I have given before, and learn the full exercise, solve the exercise on the book. Then next is famous comic characters. This all the famous characters names you have to write in your book and learn. Students, one more thing, in the examination you will be asked any type of question. That like one example I can take, that who is a teenage boy and who was bitten by a radioactive spider and who got a powers. Then you have to give the answer accordingly, and your answer will be Spider-Man. So accordingly you have to learn. As the examiner asks you question, according to that only you have to write answer. So learn it properly. Thank you.